Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will show you some of the handy Visual Studio tips that you can use with your Unity editor. So these tips are specifically for Unity game developers. So now let's jump to Visual Studio and Unity. The first thing I want to share with you is the multiple items copy paste. So with Visual Studio 2019, you can copy multiple items and view them for later use. Like I copy this statement, then this, and now if I want to copy multiple statement, I can use Control Shift and V. The list will appear and I can copy the desired clipboard item. So it's handy. You can now use multiple items at once. The next important thing I want to share with you is the Unity Project Explorer. The Unity Project Explorer will show you all the scripts related content of your project in this window, like your shaders, your scripts, and even your text file and JSON file. You can easily view all your script related item in this explorer. So you don't need to back and forth with Unity. You can view all the script and even jump to a specific method or event using this feature, and even you can reorder the hierarchy. The one thing which I'm missing here is the search option. If they provide search option, then this will be the best solution. Another thing that I want to share with you is the using this shortcut, you can view all the available Unity methods or messages. Sometimes you forget the method, or it's overload, or sometimes it's name. So using this shortcut key, you can view this window and select your desired method. Another, this is one of my favorite, is you can use this task list to get all the available ToDO items. Normally the developers like me or most of the developers use ToDO comments that we will do this in future, and we will make this kind of comment, so later we can know that we have improvement. And sometimes we use hack keyword, that we write this hack and we want to fix in future. So if you want to view all of the project related to-do list, you can go to view and view this the list of to-do items anytime. So thank you guys for your interest in this video.